Hi guys, so today in this video I'm going to be showing you how I get this slick bun, and it's quick, easy, my go-to hairstyle. I nearly wear it every single day. So if you're interested, keep watching so I can give you some tips on how to get it done. So firstly you're going to need your slick brush, toothbrush and gel, and it's going to damp my hair. So now my hair is wet, I apply my Eco Styling gel to my hair in all the areas that's going to get slicked up. So then I take my slicking brush and I just pull out all my baby hairs. Bear in mind, with baby hairs, it's all about preference. Some people prefer loads of baby hairs and some people like minimal baby hairs. It's all up to you. So I tie my hair in a loose bun and I apply more Eco Styling gel, just to make sure there's no stray hairs. I get my slip brush and I go over that. I then use 2 hairbands to make sure that the ponytail is secure. And then wrap my hair around my band and pull any other loose bits, the ends, into the ponytail so it's hidden. And then I just shape it with my hand. I now take my toothbrush and Eco Styling gel to do my edges. Instead of applying the Eco Styling gel on the toothbrush, I put it on my actual hair. And then I swoop my baby hairs. And when I swoop, I make sure that they're in alignment kind of with my hair, how my hair is slicked. Because you want it to look like it's joint, not just floating in thin air. So I keep going over my baby hairs until they're perfect and I'm happy with them. Some days this can take long, some days it can be quick. It really depends. And now that I'm happy with it, I take my silk scarf, which you can get from any hair shop, and I apply it just on the edges and leave it on there for about 5 minutes.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I'm back now. I'm gonna take this off my head and it should be laid like this. This could literally just be it. You could just do that and that's done. Or if you want to be extra and say you're going to be out for a very long time and you want to keep everything tamed, you could just and done. Yeah, this is the end look. Like, this is it. It's quick, it's easy, it's simple. You can wear it to go out with your friends, to run errands. Like, it's just an everyday look. But you can dress it up as well like I just did, so yeah. Alright, thank you guys for watching. If you found this video useful and you enjoyed it, hit that like button, and in the comment section below comment any other things that you want me to do, tutorials, and subscribe.